Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from ITALERI. This is the BERGETIGER Tiger Support Vehicle Sd.Kfz 185 and 1/35th scale, number 1362. So here on the front cover we can see our nice illustration, all the other text, as well as some other language material, even a Sherman in the background. Artist signature right there. If we look on this edge side, we can see here 241 millimeters. Information in various languages. If we look on this edge, more similar information with a different version of the illustration. On this side, more information in other languages. The barcode, this is from 1998. Suggested paints from the Model Master series there. This is made in Italy. Let's go ahead and open it up. Again, it's plain cardboard backs. Here's instruction sheet. Take a quick look on the inside. It folds out all the way. So you see here further information in various languages. Diagrams of the actual parts trees. Continuing. More details on the paint information. That's very good. And then the kind of schematic layout style of the instructions. Continuing on this side, all the way through until you get to some final details here and kind of paint scheme as well. Let's take a look further and get this out of the way briefly. More information in other languages. And I did isolate the decals. And let's take a look at the parts trees. Some of them are starting to break loose a little bit. But give a little look at the level of detail on some of the Zimmerite there. You can see here, this one here actually has 286 marked there. Interesting. Here's the hull. This probably went to back up the decals. More Zimmerite. This part fell off. More parts fell off. But that gives you a little bit of idea. Solid tracks. So keep that in mind if you want to substitute these with separate lengths or whatever style of tracks. These only come with the solid tracks in this ITALERI version here. So another look at the decals, very basic for the numbering. But taking a quick look at ITALERI's BERGETIGER Tiger Support Vehicle, the Sd.Kfz 185, kit number 362. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out their unboxing videos on the channel. We're to do some sort of show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.